Hello, good morning class. Today I am continuing your exercise 2A question number 7. Evaluate 5 inverse into 3 inverse whole bracket inverse divided by 6 inverse, right? It means 5 to the power minus 1 can be written as 1 by 5. 3 to the power minus 1 can be written as 1 by 3. Then minus 1 divided by 6 to the power minus 1 can be written as 1 by 6. Now 1 by 5 into 1 by 3 is your 1 by 15. Inverse divided by 1 by 6. 1 by 15 get reciprocal because inverse sign makes reciprocal the number, right? It means 15 becomes 1 by 15 and 1 by 15 becomes 15 in case of reciprocal sign, right? So 1 by 15 inverse means 15, divide becomes multiply here, and 1 by 6 becomes 6. As I already told you, divide sign is converted into multiply sign and the digit which comes after the divide sign gets reciprocal. So your answer is 90. Next question number 8. Find the value of. First and second are very easy. Do it by your own. If there is any doubt, ask me. Question number third, I am discussing with you. 1 by 2 to the power minus 2 plus 1 by 3 to the power minus 2 plus 1 by 4 to the power minus 2. It means first we reciprocal the numbers 2 to the power 2 plus 3 to the power 2 plus 4 to the power 2. By doing the reciprocal numbers, the negative powers becomes positive, right? Now 2 square is your 4, 3 square is your 9 and 4 square is your 16. So by adding all these we get the value 29, right? Next question number 9. Find the value of x. 5 by 3 to the power minus 4 into 5 by 3 to the power minus 5 is equals to 5 by 3 to the power 3x. This is your given question. Now I am taking the left hand side. 5 by 3 to the power minus 4 into 5 by 3 to the power minus 5. Now if base are same, their powers are added. I already told you when I had given the properties of exponents, right? Now 5 by 3 to the power minus 4 plus minus 5, that is minus minus plus 5 by 3 to the power minus 9. Now 5 by 3 to the power minus 9 is equals to the right hand side 5 by 3 to the power 3x. Now comparing the powers. If base are same on the left hand side as well as on the right hand side, we are easily comparing the powers, right? It means minus 9 is equals to 3x and x is equals to minus 3 is your value. Similarly, question number 10 is very similar to question number 9. Simply add 4 plus minus 7 is equals to 2x minus 1 and you will get the answer. We are seeing it here. 4 by 9 to the power 4 into 4 by 9 to the power minus 7 is equals to 4 by 9 to the power 2x minus 1. Similarly, base are same, their powers are added. 4 by 9 to the power 4 plus minus 7 is equals to 4 by 9 to the power 2x minus 1. Here comparing the powers, 2x minus 1 is equals to minus 3. 2x is equals to minus 3 plus 1 and 2x is equals to minus 2. So the value of x is minus 1. Right? Next is your question number 11. By what number should minus 6 to the power minus 1 be multiplied so the product becomes 9 to the power minus 1. Okay, we don't know the number, so let the required number be x, and x is multiplied with minus 6 to the power minus 1 and we will get the product as 9 to the power minus 1. Product means we have to multiply the two numbers and get the answer 9 to the power minus 1, right? Now x into minus 6 to the power minus 1, which can be reciprocal as 1 upon minus 6, right? Next, x upon minus 6 is equals to 1 by 9. Minus 6 is cross multiplied with 1 and we got the value of x is equals to minus 6 by 9. Now here we see 6 and 9 is cancelled with each other with the table of 3. So the greatest common divisor for the numerator and denominator is 3. We divide both numerator and denominator by 3. We will got the value minus 2 by 3. Skip question number 12. right? Do not do it. And next is your question number 13. 5 to the power 2x plus 1 divided by 25 is equals to 125. Now 25 can be written as 5 to the power 2. 125 can be written as 5 to the power 3, because 5 fives are 25 and 25 fives are 125, and this is 5 fives are 25, right? Next, here we see 8 to the power m divided by 8 to the power n is equals to 8 to the power m minus n. If base are same in case of division, their powers are subtracted. Right? Now, it means 5 to the power 2x plus 1 minus 2 is equals to 5 to the power 3. Here we are similarly comparing the powers as base are same. Now, 2x minus 1 is equals to 3, minus 1 is taken to the right hand side, is added with 3, we got the value 4, 2x is equals to 4 and x is equals to 2, right? This is your solutions. Try it by your own. If there is any doubt, ask me. Thank you, class.